Building healthy bones is extremely important. Minerals are incorporated into your bones during childhood, adolescence, and early adulthood. Once you reach 30 years of age, you have achieved peak bone mass. If not enough bone mass is created during the time, or bone loss occurs later in life, you have an increased risk of developing fragile bones that break easily. Fortunately, many nutrition and lifestyle habits can help you build strong bones and maintain them as you age. Here are 5 natural ways to build healthy bones. 1. Eat lots of vegetables. Vegetables are great for your bones. They're one of the best sources of vitamin C, which stimulates the production of bone-forming cells. In addition, some studies suggest that vitamin C's antioxidant effects may protect bone cells from damage. Vegetables also seem to increase bone mineral density, also known as bone density. Both osteopenia, low bone mass, and osteoporosis, brittle bones, are conditions characterized by low bone density. 2. Consume enough protein. Getting enough protein is important for healthy bones. In fact, about 50% of bone is made of protein. Researchers have reported that low protein intake decreases calcium absorption and may also affect the rates of bone formation and breakdown. Diets containing a greater percentage of calories from protein may help preserve bone mass during weight loss. 3. Get plenty of vitamin D and vitamin K. Vitamin D and vitamin K are extremely important for building strong bones. Vitamin D plays several roles in bone health, including helping your body absorb calcium. Achieving a blood level of at least 30 nanograms per milliliter is recommended for protecting against osteopenia, osteoporosis, and other bone diseases. Indeed, studies have shown that children and adults with low vitamin D levels tend to have lower bone density and are more at risk for bone loss than people who get enough. Unfortunately, vitamin D deficiency is very common, affecting about 1 billion people worldwide. You may be able to get enough vitamin D through sun exposure and food sources such as fatty fish, liver, and cheese. However, many people need to supplement with up to 2,000 IU of vitamin D daily to maintain optimal levels. 4. Perform strength training and weight-bearing exercises. Engaging in specific types of exercise can help you build and maintain strong bones. Studies in older men and women who performed weight-bearing exercise showed increases in bone mineral density, bone strength, and bone size, as well as reduction in markers of bone turnover and inflammation. Strength training exercise is not only beneficial for increasing muscle mass, it may also help protect against bone loss in younger and older women, including those with osteoporosis, osteopenia, or breast cancer. 5. Include foods high in magnesium and zinc. Calcium isn't the only mineral that's important for bone health. Several others also play a role, including magnesium and zinc. Magnesium plays a key role in converting vitamin D into the active form that promotes calcium absorption. Zinc is a trace mineral needed in very small amounts. It helps make up the mineral portion of your bones.